Vumeli close, someone bafana sengena lenkosi. Shkonu shamatilo, wanga the beast furanzilo.
Utuvuke ekuseni, uzakhala nebungane emaphaketheni. Nkosi ngikhanyiseni, kuze ngibone zonke izitha zami emphakathini. Manje shubile, idlozi ivumile, we celebrating every day.
Come and take me. Worry. No, I am. Kutuba you're not telling is gay.
Yeah.
Meaning, don't be worried. Don't worry.
Yeah, doesn't none. Mitera uzirana. Niyaze marangeni ngihlezi mikuphathisa khanda.
Uno, Uzbali, the alter ego Dakin is the crazy side. It's the same thing with Eminem. Eminem also has Zulu, but in his alter ego Slim Shade, where La Ahlanya Khona ends all the crazy stuff. So I feel like people think ukuthi vele mina msibhali, I rap like that, and of which is not the case.
Tengera grandpa. No, angicho mkhulu. Beka mawuhleka kunyakaza spoon. Indlela zami sizakanya ngoma nelozi. Rarera ke. Yeah. Levo melelo. I mean asazi menzeni ngihlala ngizibhromere state ngithengisa amazimba namasweet for bantwana basikore khoneni one day ngavuka ekseni tora bamchisere story ngathi rabantu banjani koqala badujure board
yabona ngizikhiphile izingoma eziningi yabona and zathola the reaction on their own part. One song that I would say with young Nigela like that, reaction layer, that boost their trend. It's a crazy song.
It was fun. It was funny like crazy. Because I remember Machita Bata Sakula. No, let's do this track. I have a good feeling about this track.
The
response was crazy, actually, and Nakona. It was actually super crazy because the attention, basically, I was expecting it to go to him, like 4 credits for the verse, the song. I was expecting like the reaction to. And the first comment I got, like after post, I remember when you posted on WhatsApp. The first comment I got, like first view, first second, very good poster. The first person who I chat was like, "Hey, dude, your reactions kill me."
Pero mina nyeke. Anyeke mina mirebeka ngakabese ngatori chorus, ngicela chorus please. Rarera ke.
You know, like a crazy song. Mina ngithize manje for the first time nje. Kube into nje ngihlekisile because I thought ukuthi ayingoma nje izokwenziwa then iphelela ijuze. But then manje ngithanda labantu nje the moment by share kwenzakala like nalama number avelile wakhona like yo kube enye number nje enkulu kakhulu. So big up to Sanza noLoka nje nomini.
It trended ngendlela besinge-expectanga ukuthi ingatrenda ngayo.
Yeah.
Uyabona, so yeah.
Man, let's go. Vividly dreaming about getting my feelings out on this paper, but the scissors know that I rock the crowd. I hope you never doubt. I hope I make me proud. My potential is essential, so never give him clout. I hope it gets cloud, not like we're smoking loud. What's the cost? They done lost, but my skill is profound.
People are shocked actually.
Yeah.
When they found out with actually nyakhona ukurapper, like I can drop bars like straight up yabona, because I remember I dropped the video last nyana. We posted Facebook and reaction yakhona, it was mad because it seems as if people I rap that way, and as soon as bangizwa ukuthi I can actually rap, it was like a surprise.
Introduce yourself, tell them what's your name.
Many dark flows are intricate, spinning like syndicate. Big pimpin', sipping penicillin, leaning like Benelin. Devilish activists actively banning them. Went through hell and back, but still I'm heaven sent. Like a text from God himself. Bless. Hey, I'm highest turbulence, G5 for high five a check. Hit the gym pockets, body build, no need to flex. Hey, Got Bobby and the dying head just like I had. Miss me with the bullshit, no money, get out of here. I've been pushing too hard, can't wait to blow, yeah, yeah. On stage, man, we always kill the shows, yeah, yeah. Yeah, peers fear when fans cheer. I never rip the page, but girls burst in tears.
Introduce yourself, tell them what's your name.
Pop my bag, it's either Boppy Pondo straight back or relaxer. Zamis figures bumpers, daily actions, yeah, Chester. You say you run the game, Maro Shulang and Shook Trapper. I go bo skew on the mic, Manyambela, Wamum Tetu, Yautobela, FM. Kalago radio, chirwa kudliwa cheap like hashtag hellos. Mkuling lala panty na manje, I still lay low. Petu mapagisha in the bag, lay low. Waya kumba fire ngamagamo yalimaza ngrapang siyindo dikhala ngidupung sniffa ngamakhala job uhlulwa na ukujava rap umphethu uhlulwa kulala undercover bayabanda ngibola ngishisa ukudlula iqala.
Yeah, Lokshin has some music, baby. 1022, Bob my banner, man it darken. The future.